In this session, we are going to solve one problem on functional dependencies. So here is the problem for us. In a schema with attributes A, B, C, D and E, following set of functional dependencies are given. So on a given schema, so these are the set of attributes are there. We are having 5 set of attributes A, B, C, D and E, and these are the set of functional dependencies are given. Which of the following functional dependencies is not implied by the above set? So another set of functional dependencies are given. We shall have to tell that which one is not implied by these functional dependencies. So how to solve such problems? So here is the answer for you. So at first we are considering the first given, that is CD determines AC. So we will be going for CD determines AC. Now we shall calculate the closure of CD. So C and D will be coming in the set, and now we shall be considering all the given functional dependencies. So CD determines E, so E will be coming as E was not there. So now E will bring this A and A will bring this B. So all the 5 attributes have come. So the right hand side, that is AC, is there implied. So that's why this functional dependency is implied by them. Now let us go for the next one, BD determines CD. So BD determines CD. So let us go for the calculation of closure of BD. So in the set I shall be having only B and D in that case, but I cannot incorporate, I cannot include any other attribute in this closure set. So that's why you see BD cannot derive CD, hence not implied. So as we are having here only B and D is coming, when we are going to get the calculation of BD plus, that is the closure of BD, then we are getting this, that is the BD cannot derive CD, hence not implied. So this particular functional dependency is not implied. Now let us go for BC determines CD. So that is the third one. So here also after calculating the closure of BC, I am getting C and D here. So that's why it is implied. So AC determines BC. So going for the closure calculation on AC, so A and C will be there, and later we are having the other attributes. If we just follow them, you will be getting that how these attributes are getting included in this closure set, and it implies that BC can be, BC is already there in this set. So that's it, that means that it can be implied by these set of attributes. So my answer will be going with this BD determines CD, because this functional dependency is not implied by this set of functional dependencies given. Thanks for watching this video.